All right, guys, last leg of your road trip. So today's Thursday. Here is what you're going to be doing. So the first one is all about your snacks. So you're going to calculate some nutritional information. I know it's been a while since you talked about this in PE. So there's four different types of snacks here. You're going to be looking at a couple of different things. So the Doritos serving size is one package, and there's one serving per container. There are 5 grams of fat and 26 times as many calories as there are grams of fat. There is no trans fat, cholesterol, or sugar in Doritos. There are 4 times as many grams of carbohydrates as there are grams of fat and 10 times as many milligrams of sodium as there are grams of carbohydrates. There are 18 fewer grams of protein than carbohydrates. The Doritos have the same number of grams of fiber as they do protein. So you're going to use the nutritional information above to answer these questions. So one serving size of pretzels is 25 pretzels, and there are 10 servings in the bag. If you ate 2 servings, how much calories, fat, sodium, and sugar did you eat? So if one serving is 25, 2 servings would be 50. So you would go up and look at pretzels, and you're going to look at calories here. And it says 120 for 25. Well, I'm going to double that because I had 2 servings, so it would be 240. So when you're looking at this, make sure you double it because you had 2 servings. Then you're going to look at 2 servings of M&M's Twizzlers and so on, and you're just going to fill in these using these charts above. All right, on this next slide, it's time to head home. It's been a fun trip, and you've made it all the way across the country, but the idea of spending another 20 days in the cars makes you a little crazy. Instead, you and your family are heading home on an airplane, so you're going to use this information above about flights to answer these questions here. Then on this last slide, just can't get enough. It's your turn to do some road tripping. From your hometown, choose 5 different places you would like to go in the United States. Draw them out on the map, and how you could do that is you'll go up here to select line, and you'll do a line. You can also, once you've done that, you can click on it and change the color and move it around. Make sure you label each destination. In all, you should have 5 lines on your map showing 5 different destinations. Look up the distances between your hometown and your destination and write the distance with the line. So we are in Northwest Arkansas at Siloam Springs. So you're going to draw your line to your 5 locations, wherever you want them to be. Maybe it's New York, California, Arizona, Seattle, wherever you would like to go, Florida. And then you're going to answer these questions here and plan out your road trip. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message.